Ever wondered how to turn your love for beauty into a thriving career? Well, you're in the right place. Just like you, I'm obsessed with all things beauty, from the perfect red lipstick to that dewy, fresh-faced glow. I've worked in the beauty industry for over 15 years, traveling the world, attending fancy parties, exciting meetings, and interesting factory visits, all while trying hundreds of makeup and skincare products. Okay, maybe thousands. Here are my tips on how to make it in the cosmetic business. Listen up, beauty queens. This first tip is all about understanding the business side of beauty. You need to know how to sell those amazing products and get people as obsessed with them as we are. A background in sales and marketing is like having a secret weapon. Trust me, it's not as boring as it sounds. Think of it this way. You get to be the voice of your favorite products, convincing everyone why they need that new highlighter or serum in their life. It's like being a beauty influencer, but on a larger scale. You'll learn how to create buzz, design killer campaigns, and connect with customers on a whole new level. And if you have that natural passion for beauty, girl, you're already ahead of the game. Your love for the products will shine through, making your marketing efforts even more genuine and effective. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The beauty industry is like a fast-moving train, constantly evolving with new trends popping up faster than you can say contour. That's why being able to analyze trends is key. You got to be able to spot what's hot, what's not, and what's about to be the next big thing, and be able to account for it by showing numbers and data. Think about it. Who knew we needed jade rollers and sheet masks in our lives? Someone with a keen eye for trends saw the potential and made it happen. So if you're all about staying ahead of the curve and predicting the next big beauty craze, then a career in sales and marketing might just be your calling.
Check one, check.
Okay, let's get real for a second. Have you ever looked at the ingredient list of your favorite moisturizer and thought, what in the world is hyaluronic acid? Don't worry, we've all been there. But behind those long, complicated names lies the fascinating world of cosmetic chemistry. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a science whiz to make it in the beauty industry, but having a solid understanding of how ingredients work their magic on our skin and hair, that's a game changer. Think of cosmetics like food, but for your skin. They're made up of ingredients, some natural, some synthetic, all carefully blended together to create those luxurious textures and transformative effects we crave. And that's where our chemist friends come in. These are the geniuses behind the scenes, whipping up innovative formulas and ensuring our favorite products are not only effective, but also safe for our skin. Larger companies are always on the lookout for talented chemists to join their product development teams. Imagine being part of the team that creates the next cult favorite foundation or that life-changing anti-aging serum. You'll get to experiment with cutting-edge ingredients, test out new formulas, and see your creations come to life on a grand scale. But it's not just about creating new products. Cosmetic chemists also play a crucial role in ensuring the quality and safety of existing products. They're the ones who make sure your favorite lipstick doesn't dry out your lips and your go-to mascara doesn't irritate your eyes. And let's not forget about the ever-evolving world of ingredient trends. Remember when charcoal was all the rage? Yeah, that was thanks to some savvy chemists who discovered its amazing detoxifying properties. So if you're someone who loves science, has a passion for beauty, and is always curious about what goes into your favorite products, then a career in cosmetic chemistry might just be your perfect match. Hey there, all you artistic souls and creative geniuses, this one's for you. The beauty industry thrives on creativity, and let me tell you, there's a place for every kind of creative mind in this world. Do you find yourself scrolling through Instagram, admiring stunning makeup looks and perfectly curated feeds? Well, guess what? That could be you. Content creation is huge in the beauty industry, and brands are constantly searching for talented individuals to create eye-catching visuals and engaging content for their social media platforms. But it's not just about pretty pictures and witty captions, darling. You need to understand the brand's aesthetic, connect with their target audience, and create content that not only showcases the products but also tells a story. And speaking of storytelling, let's not forget about the power of video. From snappy tutorials to in-depth reviews, video content is king in the beauty world. If you've got a knack for filming, editing, and captivating an audience with your charm and knowledge, then a career as a beauty content creator might be your calling. But wait, there's more. The beauty industry isn't just about digital spaces, honey. We still have our magazines, our billboards, and our product packaging. That's where graphic designers and packaging designers come in. These creative minds are responsible for creating visually stunning layouts, eye-catching advertisements, and packaging that practically begs you to pick it up from the shelves. And of course, no talk about creativity in the beauty industry would be complete without mentioning the artists themselves, the makeup artists. These magicians transform faces into works of art using their skills and creativity to enhance natural beauty, create stunning looks for photo shoots and events, and inspire us all with their artistry. So, whether you're a digital guru, a design aficionado, or a makeup maestro, there's a place for you in the colorful and creative world of beauty. Hold onto your makeup bags, beauties, because this next tip might surprise you. When you think of glamorous careers in the beauty industry, logistics and purchasing might not be the first thing that springs to mind. But let me tell you, these departments are the backbone of any successful beauty brand. Think about it. How do you think all those amazing products end up on the shelves of your favorite stores? It's not magic, honey, it's logistics. These are the organized masterminds who ensure that everything runs smoothly, from sourcing raw materials to manufacturing and shipping the final products. Now, I'm not going to lie, logistics isn't always the most glamorous job. It involves a lot of spreadsheets, phone calls, and problem solving. But if you're someone who thrives in a fast-paced environment, loves a good challenge, and gets a thrill out of seeing a plan come together flawlessly, then this might just be your dream career. And let's not forget about our friends in purchasing. These savvy negotiators are responsible for sourcing the highest quality ingredients and packaging materials at the best possible prices. They travel the world, meet with suppliers, and use their negotiation skills to secure the best deals for the company. So, while it might not involve red carpets and champagne toasts every day, a career in logistics and purchasing is essential to the success of any beauty brand. Plus, you'll get to see the behind-the-scenes magic of how your favorite products are made. Alright, gorgeous, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart, small businesses. You see, the beauty industry isn't just made up of giant corporations with thousands of employees. In fact, most beauty companies are actually quite small. with about 60% having fewer than 50 employees. And you know what that means? More opportunities for you to shine. In a small company, you get to wear many hats, learn different aspects of the business, and make a real impact. You're not just a cog in a giant machine. You're a valued member of a tight-knit team, all passionate about bringing beautiful products to the world. Think about it. You could be the social media manager by day, creating engaging content and connecting with customers online. Then by afternoon, you could be assisting with product development, brainstorming new ideas and testing out new formulas. And who knows, you might even find yourself packing orders and shipping them out to eager customers. The beauty of working for a small company is the variety and the opportunity to learn and grow. You'll gain experience in different areas, discover your strengths, and develop a well-rounded skill set that will serve you well throughout your career. And let's not forget about the amazing sense of community and camaraderie that comes with working for a small business. You'll build strong relationships with your colleagues, feel a sense of ownership over your work, and be part of something truly special. So, if you're a multi-talented go-getter who thrives in a fast-paced environment and loves the idea of wearing many hats, then a career in a small beauty company might be your perfect match. And don't forget, small companies also need lawyers, HR professionals, and finance experts. There are plenty of opportunities for everyone in the cosmetic business. So there you have it, beauties. My top tips on how to break into the exciting world of the cosmetic business. Remember, even though there are giant companies in the beauty industry, most companies are actually very small. So any role in this industry will be exciting and fulfilling if you love beauty products. This industry is all about passion, creativity, and a genuine love for all things beautiful. So go out there, chase your dreams, and who knows, maybe one day we'll be crossing paths at a glamorous beauty event. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.